Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we are squeezing in a fun card, non-holiday, and I hope you don't mind. I'm using the Selfie die set because it's so much fun and it was in my stash ready to be used. It was screaming at me. So isn't it fun? The phone and the Polaroid dies, I love them. There are so many different sizes there. And I'm going to use these fun kitties. They're the Cat Morning stamp set, and they just crack me up. And I love the little bunny slippers, so we are for sure using that one. And I just think that one laying in the bed there is just hilarious. So yes, we are going to use that one too. The other one is really adorable also, so I will have to use that another time. But for now, I'm going to stamp them on Nina Solar White, 110 pounds white cardstock. I'm using some VersaFine ink. I'm going to heat emboss them with clear embossing powder, and then we will color them with some alcohol markers. And here are my Copic markers today, and I'm just doing some very simple coloring. I looked at my color chart and it showed me that these colors blended together, so I'm just going with that. And this marker is a little bit dry, but it was enough for me to lay it on my paper to use. I usually go for like red cats. I don't know why. Red or gray. So I wish I could color them a little differently. So I'm going to have to work on that. Maybe that will be one of my New Year's resolutions, to learn how to color cats differently. But for now, I'm just having fun and using this fun cat who has a eye mask, and I just, like I said, I love those bunny slippers. They're super cute. And so just coloring them in, and I'm using 4 markers actually for this cat. And I'm going to try and go a little bit lighter, but he ends up being like a pretty brownish, reddish cat. And so I think he's cute, and so I'm going to use this last marker. Well, I did use that last marker to lighten it a little bit. Now I'm going to use these pink or red markers to color in the bunny slippers and the eye mask, and then I'll use a lighter color for the bunny's nose. I believe I use R11 for the bunny's nose. I'm not sure if I put that in there. But I will have everything listed in the details down below in case you are interested. And I definitely will have these products listed as well because they're so great and fun to get someone to smile and laugh. So, and then hopefully I will be working on some fall cards. So stay tuned for that. And super cute, and I think I'm just filling in some areas. I colored in his nose, so here is where I just need the slippers, the bunny nose, and then I needed the cup. And so I just used some gray markers, warm gray markers for the cat, and I didn't show that on camera, but I will definitely put that down below. And I'm just coloring in these goldfish crackers. I love goldfish crackers. I love Cheez-Its. So yeah, those are some snacks I do enjoy, but not in bed. And next I will just color in the bag here, or the box that it came in, and I'm just using some cool gray markers for that. And then I will cut them out with the Selfie die set. So no fussy cutting today. And this Selfie die set is so much fun. And I think it comes with so many dies. I love how Whimsy Stamps just has so many dies in this die set. So perfect. So I'm going to take that out and then I will use that phone. I'm going to see if it will fit this kitty here. And so I think that looks really good. So I'm going to cut that out. This one, it could go sideways if I do it sideways like that, or I was thinking the Polaroid. So I could have used both phone dies, I guess, for this one, but I was trying to use a Polaroid die for this, and I didn't want to cut out his slippers. So I'm going to do it sideways. And I'm using some pattern paper. It's from the Starring Hearts paper pad 6x6. It's a Valentine paper pad, but I love the patterns. This one has stars, and then they have some great patterns in this paper pack. I love that chevron. I'm going to use that triangle pattern there. I thought those were fun. And then I cut them out with white, and then I'm going to just stick them in there, in the slots there. And I'm going to double it up as well. And that way, and then I'll add some foam tape to the phone die or die cut. And then here are my sentiments. I stamped them from the same stamp set, Cat Do Mornings, and it's so fun. Give me coffee, and I just love that one. I love the font there's two different fonts in that sentiment, which is great. And then I'm just cutting it with my paper trimmer because I'm going to glue that to the Polaroid. And then I'm going to use a few other sentiments. In the Selfie die set, you get say cheese, blah, blah, blah. You get smile, you get selfie, and it has like a little selfie stick, so that's so fun. But I'm going to use the say cheese, and then I'm going to add my other sentiments on this card. This is an A2 pink card base. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it's heavyweight. And I'm going to glue this. I cut it out with glitter, silver glitter paper, and white cardstock, and I'm just going to lay those on top of each other there just for a little dimension, and then I will glue these foam pieces together, and I will add foam tape in the back of my cat. And it's so cute. I love it. I'm going to have to use this die set like again really soon. It would be fun with Christmas as well. We love to change our cases and our wallpapers and everything, so it would be fun if you had like a Santa in there or something. So you just never know what I might use. So that might be one of my projects coming up. And I'm going to add the foam tape, and I think, yeah, that's the only thing I popped up besides the say cheese has a little depth, but so I'm going to add that. And you could have added more pattern paper to the background, but I just left it as is. I like pink, and so that one says and then we'll have the say cheese, and then we'll have the gimme coffee for the one with the coffee cup. And then I do add another sentiment because I just had to. And I could have glued it like that as well. That way it wouldn't have cut off anything, but I had to use that pattern paper. And I just love it. And so Gimme Coffee is on the side. It was just a fun card, and I had to use it, or use these products. And gluing that with liquid glue, and then I'll add my say cheese in the middle of the phone and the Polaroid. And then lastly, I will stamp a sentiment. I was brave to stamp it onto my card and I didn't have any problems. Yay. So it says, say cheese, gimme coffee, and then we'll have I am smiling. So I'm showing it, and then I decided to stamp that one in the corner on the left because space is a problem for me. So I don't like blank spaces. And so here it is. I am smiling. So thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day.